Hello, my name is Kendrick, and today I would like to share with you about cognitive supply networks to support healthcare resilience. In this session, I will go through the benefits of a cognitive supply network, what are the core drivers behind these supply chains, and how we can implement them. Let me begin by introducing the problem statement. In today's post-COVID-19 environment, cities all over the globe are faced with supply disruptions. Next, there is also an increase in consumer demand for healthcare products tailored for individual needs. And lastly, pricing and product availability are key bottlenecks towards the mass market adoption. So what we have over here is a self-X cognitive supply network designed to meet all these challenges, and it is designed as a system of systems to enhance supply chain resilience and agility. So what this helps is to mitigate supply and demand disruptions, manufacturing resilience for supply continuity, and affordability with the least amount of environmental impact. So what is a self-X cognitive network? Firstly, let me introduce the key stakeholders. First, we have the distributors, manufacturers, and suppliers. They are all linked via complex webs, both digitally and physically, and is currently plagued by some of the disruptions listed below. The self-X cognitive network is made up of self-configuration, self-optimization, and self-adjustment. So they support existing paradigms such as the smart product service systems, hyper-personalization and reconfigurable production, as well as sustainable sourcing and quality assurance to support healthy communities. So you may ask, how can I work towards a cognitive supply chain network? So first, the distributor aims to ensure product effectiveness for patients. The manufacturers ensures the smooth production of customized products, and the suppliers ensure sustainable and reliable raw material sourcing. So based on this network, we have self-configuration where we leverage industry knowledge graphs for potential supply evaluation as well as optimal transport routing. Next, we can also leverage cognitive digital twins to ensure cost-effective logistics, accurate demand forecasting, and through crowdsourcing, achieve product service bundling as well as inventory planning. Lastly, we have the self-adjustments, which leverage deep learning algorithms for smart pricing, real-time monitoring, as well as leveraging blockchain for chain of custody. In conclusion, healthcare supply chain disruptions are prevailing challenges even before the COVID-19 pandemic. As such, we have come up with a self-X cognitive supply networks leveraging state-of-the-art ICT to achieve a robust and resilient supply chain system of systems.